serious challenges, that this party will work with every other Kenyan to support his agenda to unify the country and to face the challenges. Lastly, I want to thank my brother Musalia Mudavadi, leader of ANC party, with whom we work very closely. He has called us, he has spoken to the media, and he has also, in very clear terms, told Kenyans that primitivity of this kind is condemnable and must be condemned in every strong term possible. Democracy is about choice, it's not about force. Thank you, fellow Kenyans, and may God bless you.
Yes, very good.
Yes. The so-called. Yes.
There were a series of meetings. It was the legislative fight that was in Kajiado. And
Yes.
then, of course, the same members, Eseli, Wangamati, and the likes, met with Prime Minister, better yet, ODM party leader Raila Odinga. So it just didn't happen in a vacuum. Does it point to a grand scheme, maybe?
If there is any grand scheme and external hand in this party, we will deal with it. And we have the capacity to face the mundu kumundu. We will. It is not a coincidence that you saw Eseli, Wamunyinyi, and Wangamati, the governor, in Kajiado, causing with all other people who are there, enjoying caviar, enjoying distilled whiskey and other things when Kenyans are dying of hunger. We know that it doesn't need rocket science to trace it back there. But for us, we believe in the wise words of Winston Churchill. You will never finish your race if you stop to throw stones at every barking dog. And we shall not do that. We shall continue with our race, and we know where we are going.
Maybe a
Yes.
follow-up. You're accused of not aligning the party with their own going political alliance.
My dear young man, parties are formed to capture power. Parties are not formed to join alliances. But when there is need to join alliances, we do. Ford Kenya is a founder member of the former alliance called CORD. Ford Kenya is a member of the former alliance called NAC that brought President Kibaki to power. Ford Kenya is a founder member of the alliance that is still in existence called NASA. Ford Kenya is a member of the fraternity of Kenyans that support BBI. I personally led this team to go to the Yusuf Haji committee and gave our views, which we shared widely with all of you. Ford Kenya is a party that wants to form government either on its own, with others, or others to form government with us. When realignments are formed in this country to take power, you know very well, my dear brother, that they are done 9 months to elections. We have 2 years to elections. What is our agenda? To consolidate and solidify our support. Identify good, credible candidates for the next elections, so that we go to the next elections to better the number of our MCAs from the current 85 to probably 300, to move our membership to parliament from the current 13 to 50 plus, so that we can be able to be a critical cog in the wheel of leadership in the country.
My name is Edward Karasi from KBC. The other side said they have the numbers required to host you as the party leader. And I'm assuming that they will be providing the list and the signature.